For 4,500 years, a corridor remained hidden behind the limestone blocks of the Great Pyramid. It contained no visible entrance, no inscriptions, and no treasure. It appeared to lead directly into darkness. The corridor is real. Scientists have measured it, mapped it, and even looked inside it. But one question remains unanswered. Why did the builders create a chamber that nobody was supposed to enter? The Great Pyramid was constructed for Pharaoh Khufu during Egypt's 4th dynasty. On its northern face, enormous limestone blocks form an inverted V-shaped structure known as a chevron. Egyptian builders used arrangements like this to redirect the immense weight of stone away from vulnerable spaces below. Scientists needed a way to look through stone without breaking it. Their solution came not from archaeology alone, but from particle physics. Earth is constantly struck by cosmic rays. When these rays collide with the atmosphere, they produce tiny particles called muons. Muons can travel through enormous masses of stone, but solid rock absorbs more of them than empty space. By placing detectors inside the pyramid and measuring incoming muons, researchers could create a density map almost like an X-ray. In 2016, the ScanPyramids team detected an unexpected excess of muons behind the northern chevron. Years of additional measurements transformed that mysterious signal into a measurable structure. A study in 2023 estimated the corridor was 9 meters long, 2 meters wide, and slightly more than 2 meters high. A small camera was inserted through a narrow opening. For the first time in thousands of years, light entered the corridor. The images revealed rough stone walls, a vaulted ceiling, and an unfinished-looking space ending at a stone barrier. There were no visible hieroglyphs, no objects, and no obvious doorway leading farther inside. Researchers tested the structure using several independent techniques, like ground-penetrating radar and ultrasonic testing. In 2025, researchers combined the results. The evidence confirmed the corridor was not an illusion. Its existence is now established. The first explanation is structural. The corridor may have been designed to reduce pressure above the original entrance. The second possibility is that the corridor was part of the construction process, a temporary space used while blocks were positioned. The third and most dramatic possibility is that the corridor protects another unknown space, but researchers have not confirmed a large continuation. There is currently no evidence of a hidden royal chamber or treasure room. The mystery is not whether the corridor exists. The mystery is why the ancient builders needed it. And another discovery may explain how stones reached the fields, a lost branch of the Nile now buried beneath the desert. Every ancient mystery leaves evidence. The question is whether we are reading it correctly.